Good morning, SK.
Welcome back, SK.
Good morning, South. Good morning, SK. I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Kia. Did you know there's supposed to be a total lunar eclipse and blood moon tonight?
I had no idea. That seems super cool. I'll have to check it out.
Yeah, I wanted to tell an eclipse joke, but it gets kind of dark.
You need to stop moonlighting as a comedian. Oh, you know what? On that note, I'm just going to start the show. Are you still interested in winter sports? Well, registrations are due as winter sports begin in 1 week. Make sure you have a current sports physical, ASB, no fines, and all forms completed in final forms. Baseline concussion testing is mandatory for all freshmen and juniors participating in basketball, wrestling, or cheer. If you've had a concussion in the past year, this also includes you. Go to the library after school before Friday this week and don't forget your Chromebook. Cross country competed at state over the weekend. Amelia Lesterdame became the ambulatory state champion. Lauren Laws, Emma Schmutz, Jefferson Smith, and Nick Grams also had great finishes to end their season. Volleyball lost 1-3 against Rogers in postseason play. They face Puyallup for more playoff action Friday.
Today and tomorrow, freshmen will be receiving their 8th grade Smarter Balance test scores in their future focus classes. If you have any questions, see Mrs. Wood in the library. There's still time to see 12 Angry Jurors. There will be 2 more showings this weekend. There are only 50 seats available per showing, and tickets are only sold online. So if you'd like to go, make sure you buy your tickets soon. Auditions for the Addams Family musical will be next Monday at the main stage. If you'd like to audition, pick up a packet from the ASB office. If you have any questions, please see Miss Lloyd or Mr. Allen. We've been talking about it, but have you gotten your Bowling for a Cause tickets?
Hey South, are you interested in bowling for a cause? DECA is hosting an event at High Joy Bowl on November 19th from 5 to 7 p.m. to support the National Breast Cancer Foundation. You can get your tickets now from the Marketing Classroom, room 261, the ASB window, or in room 329. Tickets are only $20, so if you want to bowl and support a good cause, come check it out.
Don't miss out and get your tickets now to help out this great cause. Shifting gears, do you want your teacher to look like this? The Naked Turkey Contest starts today and will go through next Friday. Donate non-perishable items in collection boxes of your favorite staff member. Donations will go to SK Helpline. See who the soon-to-be lucky turkeys are on screen now. For every 10 items a staff member receives, a feather will be added to their Naked Turkey cutouts. The staff member with the most feathers will get the honor of wearing the Naked Turkey costume. Seniors, do you need help filing for financial aid? If so, stop by the Career Center on Tuesdays and Fridays during your lunch for some extra support. And if you need free money for college, check out the SK's 2023 Dar Good Citizen Award. You have until Thursday to notify Miss Millette in the Career Center that you would like to be considered. Another thing is the Most Valuable Student Contest hosted by the Elks National Foundation. Entry is due by next Monday, so make sure to see the Career Center for more details if you're interested.
In college news, Cal Poly Humboldt will be here on Wednesday, and there is still time to sign up for this presentation. In recognition of Veterans Day, there will be different branches of the military here during lunches offering information about what they do. Today, the Army is here. Tomorrow will be the Air Force and Coast Guard. Wednesday, the Army National Guard and Marine Corps. And Thursday, the Navy. So make sure to check that out if the military is something you have been interested in. So make sure you check that out if the military is something you may be interested in for life past high school. And the clubs meeting today are Athletic Medicine, Chaos, International, and Magic the Gathering. Meeting tomorrow is 3D Zone and D&D.
Oh hey, we're already at the end of the show.
No way. It feels like there should be so much more to talk about.
Well, tomorrow's election day.
And then after that is Veterans Day.
And after that is Thanksgiving, which means pumpkin pie.
Wait, we're having that now, right?
I sort of have to give it back.
Why?
Alyssa!
Oh no. Cut, cut, cut!